Let's talk about people who have plan Bs to their plan A. I know people that do that seem to feel like they're falling into the cautionary sort of way of thinking about things, and there does seem to be some logic to that. But when it comes to house plans, as an example, whether it's for a custom home or an extension to a home, plan Bs rarely ever seem to work out. I'll tell you, in the 30 years that I've been designing homes throughout most of Canada and the US, probably over 1,200 different homes, I've never once, not even one time, has the building been built and somebody had said, that's not what I imagined it to be, or that's not what I thought it would be. It just never happens. And so if you've already worked with a professional architect or architectural designer and you created a set of plans, those are the plans to go with. Where people seem to really mess it up is when they start second guessing it and they start thinking, oh, well, that's not really what I was thinking about now that it's put together and I could see it through the set of architectural drawings. But you know, those drawings that's the whole point of planning. Planning is meant to you plan it, and in those plans you're going to see that you can make differences. Where you don't want to see it is where you don't want to start making differences is that when the building is started and then you realize, oh, I want to change this and I want to change that. Yes, there still is some room. There is some wiggle room to doing that, working with your contractor. But plan Bs never work out. In fact, every experience I've ever had with clients that asked for a plan B, C, and D sometimes, they're never really happy. They're never completely satisfied. Whereas those hundreds and hundreds of clients that I've had, starting with that first drawing that they get, and they work on that, and they make the changes there in the planning, they're the ones who are completely satisfied and happy. So think about that. Make a plan and then exact it.